So guys, here I did replace the rest capacitors in the record amplifier, and now I'm adjusting bias consumption. So you see it currently shows 47 millivolts for the right channel. So and it's a top point, so if I will go left or right, it will be increasing. So going left, you see, going up, turning right is going down, and continue turning right, you see it's increasing again. So we need to get to 47 millivolts as the lowest point we observe it. Okay, so that's the lowest point on this channel. And now let me reconnect to the other channel. So we have 45 on the other channel. So what I'm doing, I will be tuning this guy for the other channel and see, okay, it goes up, 44, 43, and it goes up again. So I've seen 44, 42, like as the lowest here. Okay, so that's how we adjust in bias consumption. So basically what we're doing, we adjusting these coils. They work in a parallel to the capacitor, so they have a bigger resistance to the bias frequency. And just before that, I'm adjusted here the bias frequency to be exact 160 kilohertz. So now when we adjusted everything here, let me see if our recording parameters improved. Okay, so this guy goes there. Now, I'm also had to put bias pots 104, 204, and 205, I believe, here into the middle position to be able to start adjusting bias. So putting everything in the middle on the front panel. Let me get 300 hertz here, and let me get level -20. It should be -25. So I see -25 on the millivoltmeter will mean -20 on the deck, because we tune it up like -5 decibel on the output. Okay, so let me see. Okay, this is source, this is tape. Let me see, let me connect the other channel to the oscilloscope to better see what we're getting on the output. And here I see the same picture, see? So right channel has a modulation. So you see, this is 300 hertz. Why? Wait a second, 2 milliseconds, yes, it's 300 hertz. Here, see? I don't like how it records. Okay, let me see. So, and it's chrome tape. When I'm installing normal tape, it works better, really. So it's source and it's tape. So now I have to adjust levels because we were touching bias. So I will be using my plastic tool. Okay, this is the left channel. And the other one is right. Okay, so source tape. Okay, we good. Source tape, 300 Hz works. Now let's move to the 15 kilohertz. And that's where we need to adjust bias with these two ports. Okay, one channel and the other channel. Done. So source tape. Here source tape. Type 1, we nailed it. Now let's check the levels back. So I'm getting back to 1000. And you see our levels off because we touched bias. So I will go to 300. I will set levels again. We have to set -5 decibel. I'm using the lower scale, if you see. So, and I will set second channel to -5 decibel, like that. Okay, so source tape, good. And now we will get back to the 15 kilohertz to check it one more time. Okay, you see, now it's a little bit different. Now we can adjust bias just a little bit more. Okay, one channel and the other channel. Good. Oops. Looks like this tape had a bad moment. Bad piece. So you see we have levels are there, and you know I may observe that on the right channel we have the same issue even on the type 1 tape.